Alright, so now I'm going to talk about language. And language is pretty much just sounds to communicate ideas. You see this across cultures everywhere. Phonemes, specifically, a part of language, are the smallest units of speech sounds in a given language that are still distinct from other sounds in a given language. Morphemes, on the other hand, are the smallest semantically meaningful parts of language. So just like parts of letters and words and things like that. Grammar is the set of rules by which language is constructed, and that is governed by syntax and semantics. Syntax is pretty much just the order of words, and semantics is the meaning of words. Right in this red box here, I have some terms related to language that have to do with child development. The first stage is cooing, which I think you know what that is. Babbling is a pre-linguistic stage that toddlers or babies use. Holophrases, those are just kind of one-word phrases that the baby or toddler or whatever uses that are meant to convey more than just that one word. So like if the child says food, they might be actually requesting food, like I'm hungry, I need food, although they just say food. That's all they say. Telegraphic speech is a little bit more advanced than holophrases. That uses 2 or 3 words. So, for an example for that, you might observe a toddler saying, car go, and when the child actually means to say that car is moving, or food now, and just things like that. Just using simple kind of word structure, I guess, to convey a certain meaning. Overgeneralization is when a language learner uses they overgeneralize the rules of the English language. For example, saying I went to the store, instead of saying I went to the store, someone overgeneralizing might say I goed to the store, which is obviously incorrect because that's not how you say it. But for most other words, you just add ed to the end to make it past tense, which is not the case for go, for went, so that would be overgeneralizing. Just one other person that you probably want to know related to language for the AP test would be Noam Chomsky, and in this context he's known for the theory of the language acquisition device, which is a sort of innate device he theorizes that all of us have to acquire and develop language. His basis for this idea is that looking at different cultures, there's all kind of a set ground of rules for grammar and just the arrangement of words that, and just the process of acquiring language that led him to believe that there is a certain biological component to it.